Bob Bianchi, criminal defense attorney and former prosecutor, is with me now. I look at this, and the fact that Mike just said when he was on that reality show, the man who was charged with cyberstalking is a former law student, makes you go, huh, probably should have known better. Again, it's alleged, has not been convicted of the crime. He's facing these counts of cyberstalking. Those actually carry less jail time than the other woman who just pleaded not guilty. She's facing obstruction of justice for allegedly deleting text messages and maybe not being as forthcoming with evidence. Why is she facing more jail time?
The obstruction of justice charge is the mother of all charges for the Department of Justice and the U.S. Attorney's Office. It's to incentivize people to tell the truth. There's two rules in criminal law. Either rule one, you assert your right to remain silent if you're a target of an investigation. If you choose not to follow that rule, rule two is the George Washington rule. Tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Because if you don't, rightly so, the Department of Justice is going to say we cannot competently conduct investigations with people who lied to us or lied to us under oath, and therefore we're going to go hard on you for obstruction of justice.
What about the fact, too, that this was targeting this delegate from the Virgin Islands? Does that up the ante a little bit with these charges?
Absolutely, and that's a great question, Erica, because this guy could have been charged with, in my opinion, more offenses. They may start out small, and they may say, play well, accept responsibility. That gives you a departure, they call it, in the sentencing code if you quickly resolve your case. Because as a public official, anyone who tries to intimidate a federal employee or influence a federal employee or attack a federal employee is a whole nother set of laws for that. So far, he hasn't been charged with that, but you can be assured if he doesn't plead guilty, they're going to go back to the grand jury, they're going to get a superseding indictment, and they're going to add those whole boatload of charges against this sickening conduct.
Perhaps not the last time we have talked about this one, Bob. Thank you.
You got it.
In Los Angeles,